Hello everyone, this is Kevin. I am inside the course shell. Since we'll be using Blackboard a lot for this semester, I wanted to go over it with you quickly. Once you log into our class, you'll see over here, this is called the main menu. If you click on here, you're in the home page, announcements. If you want a copy of the syllabus, you can click here, and then you can make a copy from there. Email, you can email anybody from here. Down here, the course contents. Resources, Safe Assign. Safe Assign is where you will post all of your essays. That way I can run them. Let me click here. And then if you click on here for your first essay, you will upload it, and then you will have to click this button here. I agree to submit my papers. And then Safe Assign. Safe Assign is going to run your paper against all other student papers and databases in the country. So if your paper is 25% shared or 25% of your information came from someone else's paper, you're probably going to get a 0, but I'll have to talk about that with you. Next over here, quizzes. When we take quizzes in the lab on Wednesdays, that's where you will go. And then if you want to check out your grades, you just click on My Grades. I will always keep those current. Down here, student support, information literacy. This here is videos that you will have to watch later on in the semester when we do a research paper. And then down here are some other things you can look at if you want to later. The one thing I did want to choose out here is point out here is Student User Guide. If you click here, if you're having any trouble with anything on Blackboard, click here and it'll show you. And you can also click up here in the subject area what you're looking for or what you have questions about. So what I want to show you right now is tomorrow's class, which is Monday. I want to show you resources. I have 3 documents here. Sentence types and transitions, sentence types and ways to correct run-ons and comma splices. And then down here is editing symbols document. I recommend that you print all 3 of these documents and keep them with you. You can use them when you're doing your writing. You can even use those when you're doing your in-class writing. So have those documents, and tomorrow in class we're going to start going over the different types of sentences. And then Wednesday we'll go to the lab, and then the following Monday we're going to have another writing, and you will get back the writing you did on the first day of class for revisions. Okay everybody, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Oh, one last thing. If any of your friends ask, both of my English 10 classes are full, so please tell them no more crashers. Alright, thanks everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.